Oh.
I've called him twice now. We try to go back under there. Let me see if I can run him. You see him on the camera?
Yeah, I see him.
Ready?
He went underneath.
Alright, so we got a rod knocking. That's not good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take his front bumper off because she's a little low and she's not gonna fit on the ramps. So
It's not gonna fit on those ramps. So yeah, we're taking the bumper off so we can put it up on here because this is the only thing we have to lift it up and so we can get under it, you know. And I believe we might have to take the exhaust off. I can't really tell, but other than that, it should be pretty straightforward. But we're just gonna drop the oil pan and figure out which rod bearing we need to change. I think I got all the screws out, so it should come off.
Well, you gotta put regular
Yeah.
black tape on.
There we go. Bumper is off.
It's knocking bad.
yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Well, them exhaust bolts.
Is that one right there?
Nah, it's missing. I think it looks like it's welded together.
Right here? You talking about like right here?
Yeah, like
Yeah, right there.
where the manifold goes to like the actual exhaust.
I think it is, to be honest with you, because it looks like it right here. If you look right here, right there. No pronto, buddy.
I mean, we can just take the headers off, right?
Should be running prime.
I mean, it's just a couple bolts.
Bolt
Look,
right here.
There's a cat delete. There's not even one on it. It's deleted. Gone.
Well, I don't think we're gutting nothing. I'm gonna pull this Explorer back, right?
Manifold. Why?
So we have more room to do something. Watch your feet.
Oh,
Had the hearses float from the bridges down there, buddy.
got old Gramps mowing the yard. Oh Lord, he's getting dust everywhere. So you're finna turn this thing around? Oh, you need the keys? Hold up. Gotta get the keys. Oh crap. What are you doing? Nice brake, you're rolling. There we go. Oh, it's like... Whoa, watch out. There's a bow back there, buddy. Holy cow. Finally. Oh, come on. Come on. now, son. Woo! She working. You forget how to drive? God darn it. Let me back this junk up. You have to take the headers off because they freaking welded the manifold to the...
You gotta text them like,
Exactly.
y'all scam me.
I mean, no, they
Oh,
didn't.
it'll never break. That's one for sure.
This is Phase Ed Music.
So we got the
Gasket
manifold
still
off.
good on it?
Yeah, the gasket looks fine.
Well, don't take it off.
Oh yeah, leave that on there. Leave that on there, buddy. We got a little cookie pan.
You think if I do it with the impact it'll hurt it?
Don't.
Which way's left?
Are you being serious? You don't know which way to turn it?
No, I'm just kidding. Oh, it's... Well, you're saying here now, we're in a little...
Push it toward the body at the end of the ratchet toward the front of the car.
Oh, that's a little tight. Brady, I'm supposed to be pulling my way, right? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Try it.
Why did you poop in your pants?
Pull down.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Oh, she on
The oil drain plug should not be that tight, buddy.
Nigerian cunts. Well, little JDM slanted eyes, man. If they don't,
film everything.
the socket.
Just let it straight to the ground.
God dang it.
Oh, you seen that boat that I was talking about, didn't you?
I got it off.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh!
Hey! Don't tell my man. John Davis.
Where'd it go?
John Davis.
Where'd it go?
Right there.
Oh, that. Pick it up.
God dang it.
I can't reach it.
Ah! You got the video going?
Yeah.
It's out though, ain't it?
Well, shoot, I don't know where that nut went.
I don't either.
We'll find it later. You got it off?
Yeah. Get it out.
It's on their website. It's on
Here, put it in my mouth.
if you want to read about it.
That's not my mouth. Ah!
It's on your chest.
I can't say it. Is it on? Hold on. Don't do that.
You better hope it comes straight down.
Holy butt cock. Whoa!
It ain't gonna come off, I'm telling you, Kimosabi.
Kimosabi, what the?
You better hold that oil pan.
It's gonna fall on my chest. What the balls?
Yeah. I tried to tell you.
Probably something good.
Put a ratchet on it.
We don't put ratchets on stuff. We only tote them.
We tote them ratchets. Is it stripped?
Here we go, baby. Am I headed in the right direction? I'm just gonna hit it. Ready?
Yeah.
Is it loose?
Yep. Oh! Oh. You recording it?
Yeah.
Here it comes. Oh gosh, he's hung on something over here. Hold on, I need a light. Let's see here. I found the dipstick hole. That's interesting.
Don't worry about it. Yeah. We're gonna find it.
Whoa!
Is that one loose?
Yes, sir, Poppy.
Which one is it?
All the way on this side. Look at that,
Like one at
boys.
a time. Get the one that's worse.
I want the loose one. I want to see the cap on it. Sound like the bearing's completely
This one
out.
don't move. I'll try to get my fingers up in here to get it. This one's not moving. Got my hand up in there. This one's not moving either. Yep. Alrighty.
All right, well, get that cap off the one that's moving. You get the cap off the right?
Oh crap! It just gushed on me.
Oh, you should do 2 bolts. The cap should fly right off.
There was trash in the oil pump.
Yeah, that happens.
I found the metal. That looks like rod bearing to me.
Well, I want to see it.
Here you go. So tell me, Paul, what do we need to do?
We need to go get a set of rod bearings and see if there's still any play in it.
Well, that's the plan.
Sounds good to me.
Somebody told me it was $26. I think it was NAFA.
I mean, it looks it's a little dirty, but
We ain't worried about that part. So the rod bearing goes in there. That part don't worry.
yeah. I know it didn't have the bearings on it because they shredded up.
There wasn't none on the top either. Don't go back under there.
Let's see here.
I doubt they are.
Should I push the piston up?
No, do not. I mean, maybe a little bit, but not much.
I don't look like it.
Okay, so it's completely gone.
Actually, it might still be on there. It's hard to tell.
I doubt it is.
Yeah, I don't think it is. I think it's completely off. So we're gonna take a header off, an oil pan, and
Bumper.
whatever that other thing was, and the bumper. And I don't know who taught you how to pick up tools, but you're missing a couple, buddy.
I am, man. Well,
John Davis told me.
Now you never complain about your health, man.
John
I
Davis told me.
complain about it if it ain't done right.